So in this class, we are going to learn about spreadsheet, okay? The Calc spreadsheet, which is the Excel equivalent of Microsoft of LibreOffice. Okay, so if you use Microsoft Excel before, this is equivalent of it in LibreOffice. So to start with, once you open your LibreOffice, you'll be brought in over to this very platform. So here we are going to learn about creating a project within the spreadsheet. So like we've explained earlier, here you see recent documents that you've worked with regardless of the type, whether it's writer, presentation, or even spreadsheet or PDF. You'll be able to find them over here. Now our case for today is Calc spreadsheet, which we're going to access by just clicking here. It's just going to open. So like we've explained, it's just like the Microsoft Excel. You can see different kind of cells, okay, spread around the document just like that. Now you have the looking similar to those of Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel if you have used before, or even in this course if you have used the LibreWriter and Libre Impress presentation. The looks of the tabs usually look nearly the same, okay, except in some cases when you have to bring in or import in different things if you want to add or bring in different kind of items. Now our first task for today is to create a project. So to create a project, you can always come to file over here. You can come to save as, and then we brought in over here. This is a saving wizard. You can define whatever location you want and just go straight to the point. Maybe I'm going to this LibreOffice, and here I'm going to say create a folder here, and I'm going to call it spreadsheet. Okay, so I can click on OK to this. Then you can give the project a name. So this time around, I'm just going to give it spreadsheet sample 1. Okay, so once everything is okay, you can see the default is ODF. Later on we'll learn how to export things if you want to export them in different formats. So but for now, we can just go ahead and say save to continue our work, and you can see the name of this project has been renamed to spreadsheet sample 1. Okay, so I think basically this concludes this class about opening and creating a project within the spreadsheet in LibreOffice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.